Hey y'all, it is Damon here from DecoExchange. Y'all, I was at the at-home store and I came across these giant candy corns. This is gonna make for an easy door hanger. If you can find easy projects like this and you have a pile of ribbon like this, y'all, we all have it, right? Those rolls of ribbon that don't have a ton left on them. They're not enough for a whole wreath, but we can easily get another bow out of them. So we're gonna take the large candy corn and we're just gonna make a bow for it. On this one, I'm gonna start with this giant 4-inch. We're gonna do about an 8-inch tail. So y'all, this one is just all about using all those scrap ribbons that we all have just laying around. We're gonna do about a 5.5-inch loop. All right, let's cut our tail off on this side. All right, what other colors do we want here? Let's use this one. Y'all, so every loop just getting a little bit smaller. All right, let's go to our 1.5-inch. So y'all, all of these ribbons, why this project makes sense, because all of these ribbons were used somewhere else previously, right? And there's not enough ribbon on any of these rolls for another project. We're gonna take our pipe cleaner, wrap it around the top. Pull it tight and twist it off. Now, we have options here. We can go directly with this bow and run it through this hole and tie it off just like this. Or you can take your scrap mesh, cut you a piece, roll the two edges, and make yourself a ruffle, right? And add this before you tie it off. So that'll make your bow just a little bit thicker and fluffier. Y'all, luckily, whenever they designed this piece, the board that keeps them together is right here at the top. Y'all, now I'm just gonna flip it over and I'm gonna take these pipe cleaners that are left, trim them down a bit, and then I'll staple them down so it stays. Now we can clean up our bow. And y'all, just a quick and easy way to use our scrap ribbon. Uh-oh, this one's upside down. Let's give that a little flip around. See how this matches the words? Bring some of that mesh down to the bottom. This also makes for a cheaper project for your Etsy store. There we go. Y'all, and it also already has a rope on the back to hang it. Another candy corn done. Quick and easy, right? Y'all, look, also, if you wanted to make this even more extra, you could take one of these. You could take some foam and you could add a little line of foam at the bottom, and then you could decorate it at the bottom too. I am out of here. I'm gonna go play with all these supplies and record a tutorial for the coaching group. I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.